Have you ever questioned the lingering effects of a past financial mistake? You're not alone. Millions grapple with the burden of debt, and a common worry is how long it stays on your credit report, specifically with Equifax, one of the major credit bureaus in the U.S. This black mark can haunt you for years, potentially impacting your ability to rent an apartment, get a loan, or even land your dream job. So, how long exactly does debt hold you hostage on your Equifax report? Buckle up, because we're about to shed some light on this credit report mystery. Understanding the dreaded negative items. First things first, let's define the kind of debt that sticks around. We're not talking about your current credit card balance, which fluctuates with every purchase. We're focusing on negative items, like late payments, collections accounts, and even bankruptcy filings. These blemishes on your credit report signal to lenders a potential risk of future delinquencies. The 7-year itch, the most common debts. Now, here's the not-so-fun part. Most negative items stay put on your Equifax report for a whopping 7 years. Yes, 7 long years from the original delinquency date, which is the first missed payment that started the whole domino effect. This applies to late payments on credit cards, loans, and even missed utility bills that get reported. So, if you slipped up a few years back, you might still be seeing the consequences on your Equifax report today. Collection accounts, a different kind of 7-year sentence. But wait, there's more. If your debt goes unpaid and gets sent to collections, the clock starts ticking all over again. Collection accounts generally stay on your Equifax report for 7 years from the date the debt was first placed in collections. This means even if you eventually settle the debt, the record might linger for another 7 years. Bankruptcy, a longer shadow. Bankruptcy is a more serious financial matter, and the mark it leaves on your Equifax report reflects that. Chapter 7 Bankruptcy, which involves liquidating assets to pay off debts, typically stays on your report for 10 years from the filing date. Chapter 13 Bankruptcy, a restructuring plan to repay debts over time, stays on your report for 7 years after the discharge date. A glimpse of hope, the light at the end of the tunnel. Here's a ray of sunshine. Even though negative items take time to fade away, there are ways to expedite the process. First and foremost, make sure your credit report is accurate. There can be errors, and disputing them with Equifax can get them removed if proven wrong. Secondly, focus on building positive credit history. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit card balances low, and consider opening a secured credit card to establish a good payment track record. Over time, these positive marks can outweigh the negative ones and improve your overall credit score. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Improving your credit score takes dedication and consistent effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stick to your financial goals, manage your debt responsibly, and utilize the resources available to help you on your credit journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.